Here's some Shanghai P flooding trivia. Subscribe. What year did the 1931 flood occur? Is it A, 1931, B, 1933, C, 1929, or D, 1945? The correct answer is A, 1931. Which river's flooding heavily impacts Shanghai? Is it A, Yangtze River, B, Yellow River, C, Lijiang River, or D, Huai River? The correct answer is A, Yangtze River. What major natural disaster struck Shanghai in 1998? Is it A, earthquake, B, flooding, C, tornado, or D, tsunami? The correct answer is B, flooding. In what decade was the Huangpu River flood control plan initiated? Is it A, 1990s, B, 1970s, C, 2000s, or D, 1980s? The correct answer is A, 1990s. Which international organization has assisted with flood management? Is it A, European Union, B, NATO, C, World Bank, or D, IMF? The correct answer is C, World Bank. What structure is built to prevent river overflow? Is it A, floodgate, B, levee, C, jetty, or D, sandbank? The correct answer is B, levee. What global climate issue affects Shanghai's flooding risk? Is it A, urban development, B, climate change, C, historical droughts, or D, ocean currents? The correct answer is B, climate change. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.